Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G31 and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more modes of this camera. Now we have to focus on video category and tap to slow motion. So here we are, we can easily start recording this type of video by tapping on the big shutter button at the center, so let me start to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button to see the video. Let's move to the right one that follows us straight to the gallery, and here we can play our video by using center button. And as you can see, this is how slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.